Now we see a Wi-Fi bullet camera with built-in TF card. First, we take out the camera and the Wi-Fi antenna. Let's first take a look at the camera housing. This one is built-in TF card type. Then there is a power connector, a RJ45 cable connector, and a reset button on its tail table. If we insert the card, we have to pry off the front cover. Then screw out the front cover and we can insert the TF card. Let me show you. Now take this decorative piece off first. Then you can see 4 screws there. We will use a Phillips screwdriver or a 1/9 to get this screw off. After the screws unscrewed, we pinch this place with our fingers and lift it up. We can now see where the card is inserted, and this location is now TF card inserted. We are putting it back together now, and please be careful. Do not press on the wire when we're putting it back. Those 4 screws do not need to be completely screwed out. Halfway out will do. Then we lock it tight. Put this cover back. And then screw on the Wi-Fi antenna. Now it is screwed well. Now let's get the power on. Now we can pick up the phone and wait for about 30 seconds for the camera. The Wi-Fi hotspots will appear on the phone. We open the phone's network settings. And now we connect to the Wi-Fi camera's hotspot, which starts with the IP cam. Enter the password 01234567. And now it's connected. We open the app, click Add Camera, select Lens Search. Now we can limit, and if we do not need, just tape it to be sure. Now we can see the image directly. This is the mode of the AP hotspot, no networking required. Now we exist. Click on Settings. We find the Wi-Fi settings. Search for Wi-Fi. Find the routers we want to connect to. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Click the app. And wait about 10 seconds for the camera to reconnect and showing online. We can now see the image. Now is the Wi-Fi mode. This is the image flip. This is the zoom in and zoom out. This is the preset point. And now is the IR list setting. This is the exist. And here is the audio monitor. This is the snapshot. This one is recording, and this is for switching display resolution.